Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. This is my finished objects of the week. There are only two. I've been under the weather and working on a couple different projects, the shawl and a blanket, So I made a baby's hat. He's so cute. I like the colors. And I made this scarf. I like the pattern on the scarf. I showed this at a short, but it's finished object. And I brought a guest finished object. I did not finish this object, however, my husband finished this object. My husband makes project bags. And he made me this one for my tile, doing the Persian tiles. He made me this project bag. And all his bags are reversible, so I can reverse it to that color. He does a really good job. His link will be in the bottom below. And he also makes stitch markers, but he's still working that out. But I like this bag and I wanted to share. And I thought, well, it's a finished object and it's Friday and I only had two, so why not share his good work? All right, his name is Dad's Crafting Again. I had to think. Have a blessed day. My alarm's going off. I gotta go. Thank you for coming by. Yarn Again. Please subscribe and like.